Venice is unlike any other city in the world, and planning ahead is the key to enjoying its magic. With limited entry attractions and high demand, booking your tours in advance will help you skip the long lines and avoid the tourist traps. For first-time visitors, guided walking tours are the perfect way to discover Venice's winding streets and hidden corners. Don't miss the chance to see St. Mark's Basilica with skip-the-line access, or explore the fascinating Doge's Palace with a knowledgeable guide. A gondola ride is a must for a romantic experience, especially in the early morning or at sunset when the canals are quiet and the city feels extra enchanting. Booking ahead guarantees your spot and the best rates, far from the crowded tourist areas. If you want to see a different side of Venice, look for small group tours in lesser-known neighborhoods. These tours offer a more authentic glimpse into local life and culture, away from the crowds. Remember, popular experiences like food tours, glass-blowing workshops, and lagoon cruises often sell out days in advance. By planning early, you'll secure the best times and avoid overpriced last-minute options. Book your Venice experiences ahead of time and let the city's charm unfold without stress.